Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a ladies solo lunge. This comes off of a first move but with very different shaping, so knowing how to do a lunge generally would be helpful. Knowing how to do a first move already would be helpful. I'll put links in the description below so it's easy to find the things you might want to have a look at to prepare you for this. But assuming you're ready, it goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard first move, so we go back and we come in side by side. One small difference, we don't pick up the hip, we pick up the shoulder blade with the right hand, and then what's going to happen is we're going to twist the ladies out and we're going to step them nicely past us to get into the twist out. So we're going to lead them to take 2 steps into the twist, and the guys are going to do a wide stance, significantly widen the shoulders, and we're going to put the weight on our right leg so that we move with the lady. Okay, from this position we're going to walk the lady 2 steps, so we're taking it from our right side to our left side. So we go 1, 2. We kind of like her to be outside of our frame at that point. Doesn't have to be very far outside the frame, but you don't want it too close to the center, otherwise it's going to be hard to make the lunge happen. So from here we're going to rotate the lady, lead her back towards the middle onto a long step, and we're going to sink over to the right as well to deepen the lady's lunge. Also, we're going to give support, so it's going to be nice and easy for the lady to do this. We're going to now take the lady's weight back, and as we bring the lady's weight back, we're lifting our center as well, bringing our feet together with a slide for the right, send the lady into a turn, face, return, and back. So let's do the same thing from the other side, and we're going to think numbers. So we go back 1, in, 2, twist the lady out and set yourself, guys, 3, walk the lady through, 4, rotate 5 and get the lunge, 6, coming up 7, we go turn 8, face 1, return 2 and back 3. So let's have a go. Here it comes. 5, 6, ladies solo lunge. We go back, in, twist the ladies, walk, turn, lunge, up, turn, face, return and back. And that is the whole thing. If you like the move, like the video. If you enjoy what we're doing all together, then supporting it by hitting the subscribe button, really helpful. That helps promote the channel, so thank you to everyone who does that. And if you hit the notification bell, you get told every time a new video comes out, so you'll never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end in one of the windows that comes up in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.